It looks beautiful outside today, so instead of rain, hopefully I can get some outside shots, something a little bit more interesting instead of just the rain. Besides being a full-time real estate broker and a full-time mom, Catherine also facilitates a group called Networking Mamas in the area, and her and the baby have already left for that today. Real quick plug for that. If you're in the local area and you're a mama and you want to start networking, you have a business, you're in sales, you want to start something in entrepreneurship, I'll have a link below for Catherine's group. You should go check it out. And today is the day, actually tonight, tomorrow morning, Friday morning, Thursday night, doesn't matter. Courtney's coming in tonight, doesn't matter. Courtney's coming into town. Here's what I love about the fact that she's coming into town this weekend. It's Easter weekend. And I found this photo. That's Katie. That's Christopher. That's me. And that's Courtney. Isn't she cute? She's coming into town this weekend, and I hope she's going to wear that outfit. It's Thursday. That means it's email day, letting people know there's new episodes of Inside Real Estate show out. Done. I've an appointment now. I got some real estating to do.
Look how crazy she goes on this thing.
Whoa, you're crazy. We have to get the fun room ready for Courtney. Hey Morgan, can I tell you something that I know that you've been up to lately? You've been touching the TV screen a lot. The only thing left to do in today is wake up at midnight and head to SeaTac to get Court. Auntie came over and did this to you, huh? I like your bunny ears. trying to get some shots in. The sun was starting to creep out a little bit, starting to look nice, and then of course it's starting to rain here. But what you have back here is Everett. You can't see the water, and then back behind that are the Olympic Mountains that you can't see, those Olympics back there because of the clouds. But that's what I was trying to shoot. But it's starting to rain, and I can't forget the camera I have over here.